Struggling to grow on Instagram? Posting daily but still not getting likes, followers, or sales? Don't worry. Today I'll show you how to turn your Instagram into a powerful personal brand and business tool. Hey there, I'm Sarah, and I've helped countless creators just like you transform their Instagram presence. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact steps to build a strong Instagram presence and attract followers who actually engage. When I started, I was posting random pictures, getting only 20 likes, and wondering why no one cared. Then I realized, Instagram is not just about posting, it's about strategy. Let's break it down into 5 key steps. First, optimize your profile. A strong bio, a great profile pic, and highlights are crucial. First impressions matter. Second, develop a content strategy. Use Reels for reach, Carousels for value, and Stories for connection. Third, engage. Reply to DMs, use polls, and engage on others' posts. Fourth, be consistent. Pick 3-4 days a week and stick to the same posting times. Finally, collaborate and use smart hashtags. Collaborations can give you instant access to a new audience, and smart hashtags plus SEO captions can boost your visibility. Applied these steps and saw their followers and engagement skyrocket. Check out these before and after screenshots. To wrap it up, remember, Instagram rewards those who give value and stay consistent. Focus on building trust, not just chasing followers. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check my playlist on social media growth for more tips.